Hey guys, it's Jackson with Worldwide RV, excited to show you the 27 RK Jayco Whitehawk. This is one of my favorite floor plans by Jayco. Gotta love an electric TV, right up like that. Fireplace, sit right across from it, and a comfortable recliner. Watch your half-up TV. Head on over here, we got a great outlook from the kitchen. You could be cooking and look over the lake that you backed up to at your campsite. Tons of counter space and solar. Right up here we have a 200-watt solar panel that all feel comfortable getting up here and cleaning because this roof holds 4,500 pounds. Also, you'll notice it's barrel shaped, so it has extra height inside. Back here we have a full queen size bed. A little window out the front, which you can look up at the stars at night. Also, continuing on to the bathroom, watch out. First thing you'll notice is in the shower, it has plywood reinforcement. There's no OBS in these, and I could go nothing. Last but certainly not least, a great outdoor kitchen. You can get out to that campsite, do all the grilling you want, have your little fridge right over there. And yeah, check this beautiful 27 RK Whitehawk here at Worldwide RV.